Hello everyone, welcome to prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to power x plus 4 to power x is equal to 36. So what is the value of x? Now solution here, we have that 4 to power x here is common, so we factor out 4 to power x. So here we'll have 1 plus 1, this is equal to 36. Now here we'll have 4 to power x, this is 1 plus 1, which is basically equal to 2. This is equal to 36. So let's divide both signs by 2. So that now we'll have 4 to power x. This is equal to 18. Now, so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. We'll have log 4 to power x. This is equal to log 18. So log 4 to power x, this is actually in the form of log 8 to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this power rule property, log 4 to power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 18. Log 18. So let's divide both signs by log 4. By log 4. So here, x is equal to log 18 divided by log 4. So the next phase here, we can express 18. We can express 18 as 9 multiplied by 2, of which you can express 9 as 3 to power 2. So 18 is the same thing as 3 to power 2 times 2. So, and then we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So let's substitute all this. So x here is equal to log 3 to power 2 times 2 divided by log 4, which is log 2 to power 2. Log 2 to power 2. So let's proceed from here. Now, log 3 to power 2 times 2, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, we find that x is equal to log 3 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2. Log 2 to power 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2. So again here, x is equal to log 2 to power 2, applying the power rule property, log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3 divided by 2 log 2 plus, now log 2 here, divided by log 2 to power 2 becomes 2 log 2. So let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 will simplify here. And here, 2 and 2 simplifies, so that x is equal to, this is log 3 divided by log 2 plus a half. So we can express x as, now that means that the value of x here is equal to a half plus, this is log 3 divided by log 2. Now log 3 divided by log 2, log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can transform to log a to base b. So let's apply this logarithm property so that the value of x here is equal to half plus log 3 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that the value of x, which is a half plus log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we entered 4 to power x plus 4 to power x, this should give us a value of 36. Okay, so we simplify this further to, that is 4 to power x, which is actually equal to 18. So let's substitute the value of x here. So we'll have 4 to power half plus log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 18. So we can express 4 basically as 2 to power 2. So this means that we will have 2 to power 2 multiplying by, this is half plus log 3 to base 2. This is equal to 18. So let's simplify here, so that now we'll have 2 to power 1 plus 2 times log 3 to base 2. This becomes 2 log 3 to base 2. This is equal to 18. So now that means that 2 to power 1 plus 2 log 3 to base 2, this is the same thing as 2 to power 1 plus log 3 to power 2 to base 2. Actually, this is the power, okay? So this actually is the power to 3. So it's 3 power 2 to base 2. So 2 to power 1 plus log 3 squared to base 2, this is in the form of 8 power n plus m, which we can express as 8 power n multiplied by 8 power m. So let's apply this exponent property. We'll have 2 to power 1 multiplied by 2 to power log 3 squared to base 2. This should give us a value of 18. Now, 2 to power log 3 squared to base 2, this is actually in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is essentially equal to a. And that means that 2 to power log 3 squared to base 2, this is equal to 3 squared. So let's substitute where we have 2 log 3 squared to base 2 with 3 squared. So we have 2 times 3 squared, which is 9. This is equal to 18. So we are saying that we have 2 times 2 to power log 3 squared to base, which is actually 3 squared, which is 9. So 2 times 9, this is equal to 18. That means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And that means that the value of x, which is a half log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.